So hello students, let's continue with parts of nucleus. So here it includes nuclear membrane or you can say nuclear pore. Second is nuclear blast, third is nucleus, and fourth one is chromatin fibers. So have a little bit look on these parts. Nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane, I have explained this nuclear membrane in this diagram. This is a nuclear membrane, okay, outer and inner, and it is nuclear pore. So now we will look a magnified structure in detail. So how it's really look. And it's a ring-like structure, pipe. Okay, it's a pipe-like structure, and this is annulus, and in center there is we can say lumen. This is lumen. Lumen is what? Through which substance is passed. And here it is membrane. फालतू में here यहाँ तो lumen नहीं बनाना था, lumen यही लिख देती मैं. Students, write lumen here. It will be. This is inner membrane. This is outer membrane. And it is fibril. Fibrillar lamina. Fibril lamina is electron rich protein. It supports inner membrane. Okay, it supports inner membrane and is electron rich protein. Electron rich protein and support to inner membrane. And here it is ribosome. And what about diameter? The diameter of this we have talked is 800. ये पूरे जो रहता है 800 Armstrong. पूरे रिंग का, एन्युलस का. और ल्यूमेन का diameter is this much only, 500. So this is structure of nuclear membrane. You can write here. Nuclear pore. outer membrane, inner membrane. This is fibril lamina, electron rich protein support to inner membrane. Annulus, this is a lumen through which a substance is passed. Okay, next come to nucleoplast. So nucleoplast, it is rich in enzymes. Which type of enzymes are formed? Rich in enzymes. Which types of enzyme? DNA replication. DNA replication you will study in 12th standard, that is genetics chapter. Okay, DNA replication. For DNA replication के लिए भी enzymes requirement है. For example, DNA polymer. There are lots of enzymes, but I am mentioning only this. Okay, and for mRNA synthesis, transcription, example is RNA, polymerase, and what else are found? Divalent ions, magnesium, manganese, mRNA, tRNA, rRNA. tRNA structure you will also study, and the pH is 7.4. okay, you can say slightly alkaline. It's slightly alkaline, na? Above 7 point something. Okay, next come to nucleus. So nucleus, it was discovered by Fontana. Discovered by Fontana in cells of eel, and the term was given by Bowman, and it is associated with NOR. What is NOR? Okay, NOR is nuclear organizer region. Okay, and what is the function of NOR? These are segments of chromosomes. Okay, these are segments of chromosomes containing genes for rRNA. एंड ये क्या होते क्या हैं? ये जो नॉर है, सेगमेंट्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. that contain genes for okay, एसोसिएटेड विथ नॉट, ये क्या होते हैं, सेगमेंट्स होते हैं क्रोमोसोम से दैट कंटेन जीन्स फॉर RNA एंड देयर मैनी फंक्शन, इट गिव्स राइज टू इंटरफेयर न्यूक्लियोलाइज, राइट डाउन ओनली दिस मच एंड फंक्शन इज synthesis and storage of rRNA. Next come to fourth one is chromatin fibers. So chromatin fibers, it was discovered by Fleming. And this structure is seen in interphase stage. Interphase stage, okay, that cell division we will study. Okay, it is a thread-like structure seen in interphase in form of thread-like structure. Thread-like structure here I have shown you, thread-like structure. This is chromatin fibers and when it condense तो वो thick हो जाता है in form of threads and it is of two types, heterochromatin and euchromatin. Heterochromatin is what? No transcription takes place. कोई प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस नहीं होता है, ठीक है. इट इज नॉन ट्रांसक्राइबिंग. नॉन transcribing means no transcription. Transcription, it is a process of जब RNA नहीं सिंथेसाइज होगा तो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस नहीं होगा. DNA से RNA, RNA से प्रोटीन. ओके, रेप्लिकेशन, DNA to DNA replication, DNA to RNA transcription and then translation. You can write no transcription. RNA नहीं synthesize होगा means no protein synthesis. No mRNA, no protein. Or you can say no mRNA. No transcription means write it down here. नो mRNA. जब mRNA नहीं रहेगा, DNA से RNA बनता है, RNA से प्रोटीन बनता है, ठीक है. तो यूक्रोमैटिन, अर्ली ट्रांसक्राइबिंग. ओके, तो mRNA सिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस. mRNA synthesis and protein synthesis. Okay, ये इंटरफेस का नहीं है, टू पार्ट्स. नाउ कम टू heterochromatin is again two types. Okay, 17, this is 18. Oh, it's 19. So what I've said, that fact, heterochromatic again 2 types. Facultative, constitutive, heterochromatic. So facultative, it is active for less time. Active for very less time. Example, bar body, and it always inactive. So what is bar body? Suppose this is cell, yeah, x-axis, okay. So what happened? One x becomes non-functional. X becomes non-functional, okay, and this is nuclear membrane. It attaches to nuclear membrane, okay. ये अटैच हो जाता है न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से. So this is bar body, attaches to non-nuclear X non-functional dark stain body. So this is all about the parts. In next we will discuss the chromosomes, okay.